Welcome. In this updated guide, I'll show you exactly how to archive your snoozed emails using the Gmail app on your phone. If you've ever snoozed a message to deal with it later, but now want to clear it from your snoozed list and keep your Gmail tidy, these are the steps you need. First, open the Gmail app on your device. Take a moment to make sure you're signed in to the correct account, especially if you manage multiple email addresses. Next, find the menu icon in the top left corner of the app. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. Tap it to open up Gmail's main navigation. From the menu, scroll until you see the snoozed label. This is where Gmail keeps all the emails you've set aside to handle later. Tap on Snoozed, and you'll now see every email that's been scheduled to return to your inbox at a future date. Find the snoozed email you want to archive. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top if you're looking for something specific. Once you've found the email, long press on it. Just hold your finger down until the message is selected. You'll know it's selected because it will be highlighted, and you'll see new options appear at the top of your screen. You can select more emails if you want to archive several at once. Just tap each additional message. Now, look for the archive icon at the top of the screen. It's typically a small box with a downward arrow. Tap this icon, and Gmail will instantly move your selected snoozed emails out of the snoozed section and into your archive. These emails are no longer in your inbox or snoozed list, but they're still available anytime under the All Mail label or by searching. That's all it takes. Archiving snoozed emails keeps your inbox focused and clutter-free, without deleting anything important. Give it a try the next time your snoozed list feels a little too long.